this, when I looked at this, this is very shaky.
I think that the young people, millennials, people who weren't not necessarily alive at the time, I think they play the most important role in this. Because the idea here is not necessarily to change the perspective of people who were alive at the time. We're going to make it so that this knowledge is taught properly and taught truthfully and accurately. It starts with the next generation, not the previous one, which is why it's very important that millennials are the ones to read this book, are the ones to understand the implications of it.
If you want to move on, hanapin mo ang nangyari. Hindi mo yan tatalikuran. Hanapin mo ng buong buo. You cannot diminish it. You cannot ignore it. And most of all, you cannot silence it.
History is our story, our narrative, our discourse, which we shall never let anyone take away. That is why you are rallying in the streets. We tend to get disappointed, we tend to get depressed, because the body is already there in the ground. They call it the end. Tapos na, di ba? Let's finish it. The story is done. Let's move on. I tell my students, no, still around. It is the beginning.